In this video, I'm going to show you how I copied one of the Ultimate Flow chart templates and added it to a range chart. I used to trade the 11 range chart on the NQ many years ago, which was actually pretty crazy. It just moves way too quick. I also used to trade the 50 range chart. Nothing ever really stuck long term, and I just found way greater success with the time-based charts. However, I do like range charts better than Renko charts. And I was watching YouTube the other day and a video popped up in my feed. Trades by Matt did a video on something or other, and he mentioned trading a 22 range chart. And I thought to myself, yeah, I should try the range charts again and apply the Ultimate Flow to the range charts. And since I go for 10-point targets most of the time, just depending on time of day and current market conditions, anywhere between 5 and 10 points, sometimes up to 20, I decided to use a 44 range chart, which is 11 points. So every time the NQ moves 11 points, which is my 10-point target plus a little bit of slippage and wiggle room with the extra point added on, I'm getting one of these range bars completed. So I can see how price is moving in increments of 11 points. I've got the flow stack on here. I've got the MMT polarity showing me washout signals. I've also got some special divergence signals. But I added the flow stack signal arrows in case I wanted to do any kind of pending semi-automated orders with the MMT market maker. It's the same setup as the 1-minute chart for the Ultimate Flow 1-minute chart. And then I just turned on the signal arrows and added some special divergence and the hot chocolate histogram. So in this video, you'll see how I've been using this setup in conjunction with the regular Ultimate Flow triple time series over the past 24 hours during yesterday's Asian session and today's afternoon session. I hope you get some good ideas for your own trading. Thanks for tuning in. Just doing some more Asian session trading out here on the West Coast. Got the Ultimate Flow set up, and I'm playing around with some other time frames. I've got a 44 range chart. I usually go for 10-point targets, so 44 is 11 points, so I can kind of see the price movement in 10-point chunks. Then I've got my usual 5-minute, 1-minute, and 60-minute NQ charts. This chart is actually the micro NQ. I'm just trading the Tradeify Cup account on this chart. These other charts are copy trading on all the rest of my accounts. Had the flow stack turn bearish back here on the 44 range. Also here on the 1-minute, getting a nice little drop off there. I've got the flow stack signal arrows. I might try some pending orders with the market maker, just kind of seeing how this chart moves. But I've just got the delta for the NQ, and it's tracking whether it's positive or negative, and then above or below the 4-period SMA. Here we got the flow stack turning bullish here. After the close of this candle, we just popped up over 15 points and went bullish on the 1-minute as well. After the close of this candle, we just popped up 20 points. Lots of options trading with the flow stack indicator. Definitely the most amazing indicator ever created, the MMT flow stack, especially in conjunction with the Ultimate Flow workspace setup. The Ultimate Flow templates are available in the MMT chart templates product. Flow stack has been rocking out on the 44 range. Got a signal back here after the close. Popped up over 10 points. Signal here to the downside after the close. Popped down 15 points. I've been catching little scalps here and there. Already up 250 on the Tradeify Cup account. Just trading 2 or 3 micros at a time. It's kind of inspiring me to want to trade this way on the other accounts. Just grabbed a short here. We went bearish on the flow stack. We had a washout signal on the last 5-minute candle, so we were coming up to London Center. But after the close of this 1-minute candle, we popped down over 10 points, stacking some more micros, up over 400 in the Tradeify Cup. So far, the flow stack on the 44 range is crushing it just like it crushes it on the 5-minute and the 1-minute. Just signed into the afternoon session. Got some nice signals on the 44 range. Got a reversal on the 1-minute. Had point of control up into this wick. Flow stack went bearish after the close. Popped down over 15 points so far. I gave a little bit back on the Tradeify Cup account, trading late into the night last night, into the London Open. We got FOMC minutes coming out in less than a half hour, and there's NVIDIA earnings after the bell. Got into a short up here at the 20 level. Had some divergent signals building up on the 44 range. Got a nice pullback to the 20 SMA on the 44 range. So the FOMC minutes came and went. Price really isn't doing that much. I'm just going to call it a day here. Up 25 to 30 points on the accounts. And then I made a lot more on the Tradeify Cup. There are links to all of the MMT indicators in the description. Anyone that's out there using code MonkeyMan at Lucid, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, you're the best. Thanks so much for the support. I wish you best of luck in your trading. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.